good.
I like your folding chair you got there.
Appreciate it.
You know how these streets work, so.
Yeah, 11:45 turns into like 1 in the morning when people leave, so.
Right.
Be comfortable.
All right, so I know Kyle got in, you call it the mud truck?
The mud truck.
All right, for anybody that can't see this on camera, I'll try to get close-ups. This is like the dirtiest Viper, but it's known to be dirty.
Correct.
And by dirty, I don't mean like nasty, fast, whatever. It's literally filthy.
It was kind of like a double entendre. Like it's kind of fast, but it's also
kind of quick.
Really dirty.
What is the setup on the mud truck?
It's a Nth Moto build motor, Nth Moto dog box, fuel system, twin turbo system. I've got probably 13,000 miles on it being motor twins. So.
I've wanted to ride in this thing for at least a couple years.
Yeah.
And Kyle got a chance last year, and last year it just didn't work out for me. You always had a passenger or something like that.
Yep.
Do you have anything lined up with anybody yet? Or?
Yeah, there's a red GT-R from Miami, really fast car. So he and I have been trying to get runs for a while. It's just timelines haven't worked out for either one of us.
Right, gotcha. And what kind of power has the mud truck got?
It's north of 1,500.
North of 15?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get in this thing and go see what we can do, man.
Absolutely.
Good luck tonight, man.
Thank you.
So, like I said in the interview, I've wanted to get in mud truck for a few years. That car just keeps getting faster and faster every year. It's literally filthy. The thing is disgusting looking. North of 1,500, I don't know how far north that is, but it should be a pretty good time. 6-speed car, Nth Moto built, and there's some freaking power here in the parking lot, so there should be some pretty decent runs for it. See what we can get into tonight. He does not care at all. This is the red GT-R that the driver of the mud truck was trying to race. Apparently it makes 16-ish. He's got nitrous on top of that, not sure how much.
No, I have 1,000 horsepower more now.
How much power is it making now? You said 1,000 more?
Yeah, since last year. So probably making like 1,800.
So should be a good race. Don't do anything you wouldn't do if I wasn't in the car.
No, I don't do hero shit.
No, I appreciate that. I love hearing that.
Yeah.
Just, that's my only rule. Yep. Don't do anything you wouldn't do if I wasn't in the car. That's it.
Well, yeah, I'm sure like guys get you in the car and they try to
show off for the camera, doing shit that they're not used to. Yeah. I'm not about that. Yeah.
He left like right away.
Yeah.
But we weren't going to get back until because once he was out, he was out.
Mm-hmm.
Like there was no point of staying in.
All right, we could not get a clean hit with the red GT-R. We're not done yet. We're gonna go back out here in a little bit. Hopefully get a clean hit with him. We just couldn't line up. He was trying to get up, the red GT-R was trying to get on anti-lag, I'm pretty sure. Kept jumping out. We weren't ready when he was leaving, so it just didn't work. Silver GT-R though, we did get one hit with this guy. Apparently makes 1,300. It's a pretty decent hit. The Viper, it pulls. Like it pulls, and then you're like, all right, it's probably done pulling. It just keeps going and going and going. And then he changes gear, and then it pulls some more. So I'm not done riding that thing. That thing is hella fun.
What do you want to say, Red GT-R guy?
I want to say one of
We're all the Vipers, man.
What?
Waiting for all the Vipers.
Waiting for all the Vipers?
Yeah, all the fast
We got a white one right over there.
I already beat him. I beat 3 Vipers.
We didn't race you. I was in that Viper. We didn't race you.
I had racing last night.
Not tonight. We didn't race you tonight.
No.
We couldn't line up. The white one over there. The other one. Yeah. So we wanted to get a race off with you. You were just talking to him.
I know. You guys went twice.
We did what?
You were in the car
Yeah.
when we lined up coming this way.
Yeah, 3 times. Yeah.
What happened? You guys.
I'm not the driver. I don't know.
You should feel the car pulling, no?
We didn't pull at all.
Oh, you didn't pull. So I was on the nitros, and you guys were like 2 cars behind, and you guys.
You went and we didn't do anything.
You guys won.
I didn't feel anything.
NTH Moto.
That's it? Yeah.
I have the GoPro
Okay. So do I. Are we gonna run or not? Are you gonna?
for free, no?
All right.
Right now, the driver of the Viper is trying to negotiate with the driver of the GT-R to get this race off. Hopefully, it happens.
Are we finally gonna get a race with that red one?
Yeah.
Well,
Fast GTO?
That's fast GTO, but this is a bad bitch, man.
It's how much time you spend on the car on the street. That's what makes it fast. Not just building it and racing.
What's with
A lot of hours on the street. Nights.
that orange car that you run? Like I've got way more time on the street than you do. So
It was pretty fast.
How much power is the red one?
Bro, to be honest, we make 1733 on boost. 52 pounds. It has nitrous now and 62 pounds. So we don't know how much it makes. It should be 1850.
Right. Gotcha.
I know you don't make no 1600. Yeah, right. Come on.
He must live in Miami.
no, Mississippi, it's like the same. They still
You at least 17, 1800. Come on, don't lie. I give you the hit.
I know you did.
No, it's fast. It's fast.
All right, boys, we're gonna call it.
Yep.
Good race, man. I appreciate the ride, man.
Yeah,
I
man,
really do.
absolutely.
Hey, good
Hey,
race,
nice to
man.
meet you, though.
Solid. Hell yeah. I'll see you tomorrow, probably.
All right,
or
all
the
right.
next day.
I'll give you a ride.
Dude.
Don't scream.
Scream. Bro. If you. Yeah.
I know you guys go everywhere.
Yeah.
All right, finally got a run with the red GT-R. Guy's really cool, actually. And
Not only
I don't know how much power that thing has, but we have 1650 to the wheel. He has to have crazy power. I'm gonna guess close to 2,000. I don't know. He says he doesn't really know, but I'm gonna say close to 2,000 because that thing walked away from us. And we spun a little bit, but like not that much. That car's fast. Mud truck is a bad bitch. It is about 4 o'clock in the morning, and I think we're headed to the hotel, get some sleep, do it again tomorrow night.